we would like to explain about how to separate burnable trash. You may feel separating garbage is a little bit complicated in Japan. We hope this video helps you to understand. In your country, you might have thrown away both burnable and non-burnable trash together in the same place. However, we must separate trash into 3 categories in Japan: burnable trash, non-burnable trash, and recyclable waste. In Nagoya City, Aichi Prefecture, where the Golden Shachiko is located, there are 2 types of bags for burnable and non-burnable trash. In Japan, rules for how to separate trash or trash bags we use differ depending on the region. You can buy trash bags at supermarkets or convenience stores near where you live. Okay, here is the question. Which is the burnable trash? Do you know the answer? The answers are clothes and notes and wooden box. What about next? The answers are a bag of candy and paper. It might be easy. What about next? Boots and notes and oil bottle are answers. How about next? It's a little bit difficult. The answer are A. paper bag, plastic waste, clothes and oil bottle. You need to separate the drinkable and undrinkable trash. You can put undrinkable trash in burnable trash bags. When we cook or eat, we have to deal with the garbage that comes out of the kitchen. We says namagomi, which means kitchen waste. Please drain any liquid before disposal and put it in garbage bags. Then when you cook, how do you dispose of used oil in your country? In Japan, it is also burnable garbage. However, we must not dispose of used oil down the drain or put it in burnable trash bags directly. No, you can't. We will explain how to dispose used oil. First of all, when you want to use the oil repeatedly, the oil strainer is convenient. This is an oil strainer. You just put oil in the oil strainer after you use. And when you discard stale oil, we use milk cartons. Put the newspaper in milk cartons and pour oil in it. Newspaper absorbs oil. After that, seal the milk cartons with adhesive tape and close them tightly. And you can put them in burnable trash bags. Also, you can use garbage bags instead of milk cartons. Coagulants are also available. Did you understand how to separate and dispose burnable trash? Next time, we will explain about how to separate non-burnable trash. Thank you for watching.